I knew they were singers, and that's why we're not going to sing this song. I don't think we're gonna sing this song, but somehow I know that Jimmy Fallon, he had a concert, and Jimmy said, I like Trey, I like Tigger, and I like Tippity Tart to sing it on up for me. Won't you just give him a little bit of some kind of emotion on your face, like, oh, I'm feeling something, even though we're not quite sure what Mariah's doing right now. We don't know. I see your iPhone, please turn it down. And that was my bad side as well. Oh, hey. Tell me why. And I see you filming me. What the? All I know is this part. But I do recall that I thought we said we'd get the audience's faces when head to this love will survive. We don't need to do this part at all. Let's skip through another one of the songs of the repertoire. Just give them some of you, please. Give them some of you. Please sing with me. I said please. I think we're supposed to be angry when I'm singing this song, The Art of Letting Go. Cause that song, we didn't write it together, but I think we should try to switch to it. I know we can go. We don't care. Just play it in the same damn key. I don't care. Hold on. I'm making a statement. I just raised it so much higher. Of my own opinion. Just a brief little reminder to help myself remember it doesn't matter what you do, because I no longer live in that dominion that I once lived in, where there was people that I didn't like and they were there every day, and it was oh so difficult to be there, but I stayed and I stayed and I stayed, and I wore them dresses and I did that shit that I hated. Oh. Letting go ain't easy. 'Cause somebody used to know they're just flinging your world around, 'cause they're watching you fall down. That is a real MF right there. He don't even know this song at all. Evidently the words were, but there's a verse, we can change it any way we like. To be continued, okay? I'm exhausted, it's just relax. I would leave here before I really go too far.